Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to disable tab groups here on Firefox. Now if you're new here or if you find the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so you can see we're here in Firefox. We want to go up to the address bar at the top, click on this, and we want to then type in about, add in a colon, and then type in config, and then just click enter. Sometimes it may ask you if you want to proceed, just click yes. Now, once we're here, we want to go to search preferences, and from here, we want to type in browser.tabs.groups, and you can see they are already right here. So you can see browser tabs groups enabled is currently true. Now, in order to turn this off, we want to go to the right and click on the toggle button, and that will turn it into false. So now that means browser tab groups have now been disabled. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.